Guys, it is August 1st, 2018. I got a call from a guy. He's got a couple of old air conditioners in this his house there, and he says both of them aren't working. So I know they're old carriers, and no, they're due to be upgraded, but they've been working type of thing. So we'll see. We'll go by there, and I might need Freon or capacitor or something. The wife called me the other day, one wasn't working, now both of them aren't working. No, in this con, he probably didn't even change the filters. But we'll see when we get there. One at a time. As long as it don't rain. If it starts raining, I'm bailing out. I don't work out in the rain on air conditioners. We'll see. I know the old carriers, that's for sure. 25-year-old vintage type of stuff, you know.
The heat in here was, today it's not too bad.
Pretty humid.
Holy.
Right on the water, 82%. I mean, it's high. So 70, 72.
Yeah.
The fan's working. He did change the filter. The filter's been changed, he said. It's trying to start. It's a capacitor. Guaranteed. Could hear it. That's good for you.
Good.
Most likely, that's what it is. Capacitor's probably bad. We'll check it. Nothing's spinning. That should be the compressor right there. That's dead. That's our problem. Alright, we'll put a new capacitor in there, get that one going, check the charge. He's going to change the units next year, he said, if he gets another year, this year out of them. I mean, they're overdue. We get him some air. Oh yeah, doing the dance. Are you doing the dance? I know it. There's a 50. That's a 40. $45.5 right there. How's the water heater working out? I got the power off to the unit, but that should take care of it. So we got the blue is the Herm. Brown is the fan. The two yellows is the common. Should start up now. Out 72 inside, wet bulb. 75, should be 31 on the superheat. We'll check that. It's good. Yeah, this one's working good. We're right where we need it on a superheat, so we'll check the other one. Alright. Well, why don't you turn the other one on so I can check the other one? Alright, now the other one, the fan's running inside and the filters have been changed, correct? Yeah. Alright, turn that one on and I'll check it out here. This one's fine. We're gonna check the other one. This other one started up. We'll check the charge on this one. This old stuff. Suction pressure's low. It's going to ice up. I got to put some gas in it. This one's low on Freon. Let it back here. Going in the suction. Give it some gas. Suction pressure was what, 45? 23 degrees, that's why ices. Suction pressure gets too low when it's low in Freon. Temperature's 24, that's why ice is up, below freezing. Give it a little Freon in there. Bring that subcooling up a little bit. Put it in as a gas because it's 22. The thing about these units is they blow straight out. Carriers. Right on the water here, you can see how it's all rusted. I mean, he needs new equipment. Get him by for the rest of the year. You don't put a little gas in there for them. Alright, we'll let it run for a little bit, let it stabilize. I'm going to get this down to about 30. Superheat. Alright, so I got my suction pressure up and my superheat where I want it. Before that was at 45, the suction was too low. That's better. We'll have to see how much Freon, and they put in quite a bit. We'll leave it right there. Needed refrigerant, and that one there needed a capacitor. First, second, I mean old stuff, needs to be upgraded. Got cooling for now. Ham and cheese. I think you're supposed to have onions. Lunchtime.